Hey everybody, this is Kyle with KC Inspections. Thanks for checking us out today. We're up here on a roof inspection, and just one thing we quickly noticed, looking at these pipe jacks here. This should be over here. This should be rotated. As you can see, this extends more down the slope here. My other friend is not installed correctly up there. So during the next roof install, we recommend replacing this. Really, it should be corrected now to prevent moisture intrusion, but some folks don't want to rip up their brand new roof. Make sure you're hiring contractors and qualified professionals. Get it inspected after you do any type of work. This is Kyle with KC Inspections.